Hey guys, my name is Maddie Newton for those of you that don't know me, and today I have a back to school makeup look for you. I am obviously not in school, haven't been in a while, but I'm gonna show you what I like to do in a pinch in the morning, which is kind of, let's be honest, when we're getting ready for school, we wake up 5 minutes before we actually have to leave. Thank you so much to Neutrogena for sponsoring this video. I am so excited actually about the products that I'm showing you today that you're gonna see because they are from the skin clearing line. We try not to wear makeup as much so that we don't get acne, but this makeup actually fights the acne. What? I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and without further ado, let's get into it. I always do that and I don't know what that means. So for the sake of time, I already filled in my brows a little bit and used the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Primer. I love this primer because it has SPF in it and you can put it under any foundation that doesn't and you will still be protecting your face. So now what I'm going to do is mix a couple products actually. You can't tell by my face, but my body has self-tanner on it. I have to mix colors a little bit to kind of get the perfect shade. And I also wanted to mix these textures, especially for back to school time. This has been the combination that I've found has been great. So first I'm taking the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Complexion Perfector. And this is in Fair. And this is more light coverage, more like a BB cream consistency. So I mixed this one with Neutrogena Skin Clearing Oil-Free Makeup Micro Clear Technology. This is blemish treatment, and this is the more of a thicker foundation consistency. This is in 30 Buff. I like it a little bit darker because the other one balances it out. I like starting it this way because you can always add more. Put it on my hand to mix it, and then I just dab it on my face with my finger. I like to start with half of the face and then work on the other side so that it doesn't dry funny. So then I just buff this into my skin. I really like the undertones in the foundation because they're kind of pinky, and a lot of the times I find that foundations have like orange or yellow undertones, and for me this one works really nice. Personally, I think the fact that putting on makeup is actually fighting and preventing acne is just such a crazy concept, because normally you're like, oh, I have to not wear makeup to let my skin breathe. I'm going in with the Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer and just covering up a little guys that need some help. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of a lighter concealer and just drop this under my eyes to wake them up a little bit. Now I have been obsessed with this powder since I got it. This is the Skin Clearing Mineral Powder, and I'm in the shade Natural Ivory, but it also has a mirror, and I love when things come with mirrors because you never know when you need to just put this in your bag and you don't have access to a mirror. It's great. So, love this powder. You know what to do with powder. I'm just gonna set my face with it, and like I said, I literally feel like I'm just locking in this like skincare routine while I have makeup on my face. So my camera died and I'm hoping it doesn't happen again. After powdering my face, I'm gonna take some bronzer and warm up the face. Cool, now don't put the bronzer away because we're gonna come back to it. So now I'm taking just a light champagne-y color for a highlight right on the cheekbones. You don't wanna go overboard, especially at school, because I know some people, I mean, do what you want. At my school, they were like, why are you trying so hard? I'm like, because I want to. So you know what, girl, you wanna add more highlight? You add that highlight everywhere. Just like that. No, not down there, don't do that. I lost my brush. Now I'm taking this Neutrogena Healthy Skin brush in 20, which is Vibrant. It's just a very youthful pink color. Be very careful with it. I'm doing such a light touch because I'm not super into like crazy bright cheeks. I just want to add a little bit of color on the apples. That honestly might be enough for here too. Just a nice little healthy flush. So first I'm taking just a nude skin color, light skin color, putting that all over my eye and up to the brow bone, just to kind of conceal any lines. Now I'm taking my bronzer that we already used for our face, and I'm gonna just form the crease and put it underneath my lash line. Actually, I kind of want to make it a little bit more of like a smoky look and leave the lid part open. We're gonna blend it out, don't worry. And then run it underneath the lash line. So now I'm taking a brush with no color on it and just going around the edges. This defines your eye, but it's super easy to do in the morning. It's taking me longer because I'm actually telling you how to do it. But in the morning when you're going to school, oh my gosh, it's so fast. I will finish this tutorial if it's the last thing I do. I had to go get ready. I'm about to get on a plane, so yeah. Unless you want to do an extravagant look with like colors and different things, I honestly think this is plenty to just highlight your features for school, and it's gonna last. So this is all I'm doing for my eyes, but now I'm going to curl my lashes and then use the Neutrogena Healthy Volume Mascara. I love the way this mascara makes it look like your lashes, but so much better. Maddie's hair is falling down, falling down, falling down. Now last but not lips, last but not least, time for the lips. This is the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. You guys have seen me use this all the time. This is in the shade 100 Pink Nude. Since we kept it very natural on the eyes, you can do a little bit of color on the lips that goes with our cheeks. I love these color sticks because they're so moisturizing, but then you get certain kinds like this one that does have more of an opaque color as opposed to the moisturizing ones that are also really sheer. So I love this because you get color, but you also get smooth lips in the process. And just because I'm feeling fancy, I'm gonna throw on this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine just to add a little bit on top. I love the applicator on this. It's not sticky, it's not too glossy, it just gives you the perfect amount. Set that in there for the day. And that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this back to school tutorial featuring some of my new favorite Neutrogena skin clearing products. My dogs are barking. Lady, why do you have to walk right now? If you're interested in trying these skin clearing products, now is the time to do it because Walmart has up to $3 off on these right now. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it because it lets me know to do more of them. And if you want to see more, you can hit that little subscribe button too. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.